Cold breeze, dead leaves are falling from exhausted trees with no one else but you and me to see. We walked while you everything you've ever said reflecting in my hollow head at once. From seed sunk, we grew up like a tree trunk, but your branch and mine, they split and climbed apart. We still share a single heart if you peel away the bark. The dim haze of old days in sepia, the times return, the love we shared, the lessons learned and drifted in our own ways. I couldn't say the moment when I looked and saw your branch had bent apart. From seed sunk, we grew up like a tree trunk, but your branch and mine, they split and climbed apart. But we still share a single heart if you peel away the bark. Our roots are tangled up in time, though the wind may go and try to blow us down. We stand together here as one, the darkest night, the brightest sun. No matter what the two of us become. From seed sunk, we grew up like a tree trunk, but your branch and mine, they split and climbed apart. But we still share a single heart if you peel away the bark. Up like a tree trunk, but your branch and mine, they split and climbed apart. But we still share a single heart
stop to watch the flowers bloom. Every day we wait for something new. As we keep on getting older, all of the nights seem colder. Don't need to move a boulder, just watch the flowers bloom. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home. Look around, there's so much here to see. If you open your eyes, there's nothing we can't do. As we keep on getting older, all of the nights seem colder. Don't need to move a boulder, just watch the flowers bloom. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home. looking for me, babe, I won't be hanging around. Oh, isn't that living? Oh, I'm gonna be the bird, I won't be the cat. Gonna lift my wings, what you think of that? Oh, isn't that right? Oh, isn't that living? And you do what you can and do your best to do it right. Sometimes you cut your losses and you choose to survive. Oh, isn't that right? Oh, isn't that right? Isn't that right? If memories fade, why do I remember them like they were yesterday? How long will it take? How can I escape? When will I stop feeling like the years were yesterday? Is it fate that we shared hearts? Was it destiny?